Good morning, guys. It has been a little while since I've done a little bit of a vlog. Just kind of wanted to update you guys on everything that's been going on the last few months. So basically, long story short, in July I had an Achilles injury at Nationals, and then in August I ended up also messing up my calf in the other leg. So it's kind of been putting me out of training for the last few months, just going really light the last couple weeks, but I am back into some kick training. So I thought I would share with you all a little bit of what I'm going to be doing today, which is going to be just really just kind of focusing on some like single kicks, just trying to get my mobility back, a little bit of the technique of my kicks back, flexibility, stuff like that, and then working on a little bit of combos, keeping it pretty simple today because I'm still just kind of getting back into the swing of things. And then hopefully here in the next month I'll be able to start ramping things back up to where I was before tournament season started. So hopefully y'all will enjoy the video. Let's get training.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending a moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, swola, swola. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. See your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending a moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Your attention, spending a moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop popping, pocket, swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, swola, swola. Swola, 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 swola.
Alright guys, training session is done. I hope you all did enjoy the video. Like I said before, right now I'm really just trying to keep things really simple. Just working on just trying to get my technique back, my flexibility, and my endurance. My endurance is horrible right now. So really just trying to focus on just getting all that back while also making sure that my body is still healthy and I'm good. So over these next several weeks, I will slowly increase the intensity and the amount of time that I train, but until then, just taking things nice and easy and slow so that way I prevent any more injuries from happening. But thank you all so much for watching. If you all do want to see some more stuff, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I post a lot on there at TKD. But more stuff will be coming on YouTube here soon. Now that I'm back to training and I'm getting healthy again, I will be posting some more training videos on here, and also some tutorials will come soon. But thank you all so much for watching. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go rest. I'll see you guys in the next video.